Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of prefab homes, and more specifically the top 4 prefab homes that are absolutely crushing it in 2024. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, prefab homes? Aren't those just glorified trailers? And yeah, there was a time when prefab homes had a bit of a reputation, but let me tell you, things have changed. These aren't your grandma's trailers. We're talking sleek, modern designs, sustainable materials, and technology that would make Tony Stark jealous. These homes are changing the game when it comes to affordable, flexible, and downright cool living spaces. So, whether you're a seasoned real estate investor like myself or you're just tired of getting priced out of this crazy housing market, you need to check out these prefab homes. Trust me, they're going to blow you away. Let's get started. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. First up, we've got the Flatpack Container House 3B. The Flatpack Container House 3B offers a versatile and sustainable housing solution, perfect for those seeking compact, functional, and affordable living spaces. Designed with this house combines durability with innovative modular design, making it suitable for various applications, from tiny homes to capsule rooms and modular housing projects. The main features are, firstly, robust steel frame. Engineered for strength and longevity, the steel frame structure ensures the house is stable and resistant to environmental factors. Secondly, compact design. The Flatpack design allows for easy transportation and quick assembly, reducing logistical challenges and construction time. Thirdly, customizable layouts. The modular nature of the house enables users to adapt the space to their specific needs, whether it's a cozy tiny home or an additional capsule room. Fourth, energy efficiency. Equipped with sustainable materials and design options, this house can be customized for energy efficiency, reducing utility costs and environmental impact. With its cost-effective price point and modern aesthetics, the Flatpack Container House is an excellent choice for individuals or organizations looking for adaptable and eco-friendly housing solutions. Its design caters to various lifestyles and purposes, blending comfort with practicality. Next up, we've got the Zolyndo Portable Prefabricated Tiny Home. The Zolyndo Portable Prefabricated Tiny Home is a versatile, expandable, and mobile solution designed to meet a variety of living and functional needs. Measuring 13 by 20 feet, this prefab house combines durability, portability, and comfort, making it an ideal option for diverse applications such as hotels, offices, guardhouses, shops, villas, warehouses, and workshops. The main features are, firstly, expandable design. The house features an innovative expandable structure that allows for easy transportation and assembly while maximizing usable space. Secondly, portable construction. Built with lightweight but sturdy plastic materials, it ensures durability while maintaining portability, making it suitable for temporary or permanent installations. Thirdly, integrated restroom. Equipped with a built-in restroom, it adds convenience and functionality, making the space self-sufficient for extended use. Fourth, multi-purpose utility. Whether used as a cozy living space, a professional office, or even a storage unit, this prefab home adapts effortlessly to different needs. Fifth, eco-friendly and cost-efficient. Its prefab nature reduces construction waste and time, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional housing methods. The Zalindo tiny home brings innovation and practicality together, offering a smart, portable, and customizable living or working solution. It's perfect for those seeking affordability without compromising on quality and style. Chapter 3. Feekercn 40-foot. Tiny house, live large in a tiny home. The Feekercn 40 feet. Tiny house offers a modern solution for portable, efficient, and stylish living. This prefab container house is designed for comfort, functionality, and mobility, making it perfect for those seeking flexible housing options. The main features are, firstly, spacious design. Despite its compact exterior, the house includes 3 bedrooms, providing ample space for adults or a small family. Secondly, fully equipped bathroom and kitchen. The house comes with a complete kitchen and bathroom, offering all the essentials for a comfortable lifestyle. The functional layout maximizes utility without compromising on style. Thirdly, portable and foldable. The foldable design ensures easy transportation and setup, making it an ideal choice for those who value mobility. Whether you're relocating or setting up a new site, this home is ready to move with you. Fourth, durable steel frame construction. Built with a robust steel frame, the house is designed to withstand various weather conditions, ensuring long-term durability and safety. Fifth, multi-purpose use. Perfect for permanent residences, vacation homes, or even rental properties, its versatility caters to various needs. The Feekercn 40 feet tiny house combines modern design with practicality, offering a fully functional home in a portable format. Whether you're looking for a minimalist lifestyle or a secondary residence, this prefabricated container house is a game-changer in flexible living solutions. Chapter 4. Quick, Simple, Easy SEQ, Luxury Prefab Living Redefined. The Quick.Simple.Easy SEQ 40 feet container house redefines luxury and convenience in prefabricated living. Designed with modern functionality and style, this fully equipped double-story expandable home is perfect for those seeking an innovative and sustainable housing solution. The main features are, firstly, double-story design. This prefab container house boasts a two-story layout, maximizing living space without increasing the footprint. With 2 bedrooms, it offers comfort and privacy for residents. Secondly, luxury amenities. The house is fully equipped with essential amenities to provide a luxury living experience. The inclusion of high-quality materials ensures durability and elegance throughout the design. Thirdly, expandable convenience. The expandable structure allows for effortless transportation and quick assembly, making it ideal for various locations. Whether for urban or rural settings, this home adapts seamlessly. Fourth, stairs included. A built-in staircase adds practicality and aesthetic appeal, connecting the 2 levels with ease and style. Fifth, versatile applications. Perfect as a permanent residence, vacation home, or even rental property, this house combines flexibility and modernity to suit different lifestyles. This container home represents the pinnacle of prefabricated living with its double-story design, luxurious interiors, and user-friendly expandability. It is an excellent choice for those seeking a stylish and sustainable alternative to traditional housing. So there you have it, folks. The top 4 prefab homes of 2024 that are absolutely killing it in the market right now. From sleek and modern designs to sustainable materials and innovative technology, these homes are changing the way we think about living spaces. Whether you're looking to downsize, embrace a more sustainable lifestyle, or simply want a more affordable and flexible housing option, there's a prefab home out there for you. I hope this video has given you some inspiration and valuable information as you explore the exciting world of prefab homes. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to the channel for more content on innovative living solutions, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Until next time, stay informed, stay inspired, and as always, thanks for watching.